It's about that time. Let's get to spraying. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. It's finally that time. We are going to spray the clear over the 1998 Mach 1. And I'm gonna have you guys on a GoPro so you can watch me spraying, because I really don't want to have this camera out here and it messes up the lens. With the GoPro I can change out the lens and it'd be perfectly fine. Wipe off the overspray on the GoPro and we'd be good. As far with the bumper, I'm still kind of fixing the little rock chips and stuff that I have going on with it, so that's not really ready to spray yet. I am, however, nervous because I don't know how this is going to turn out. The clear is a make or break for a paint job. Right now it looks pretty good, but as soon as I put the clear on it and there's like fingerprints all underneath the clear, it's like, that's it. Got to start all the way over, and I'm nervous. Alright guys, so it's been a week later. I'm not gonna lie, I got upset. Imperfections just all over the clear coat. The roof came out pretty well. I think what happened was whenever I painted the roof first, I was dropping all the debris on it when I was just going over the top of it like this. I was just dropping all the debris on it and I didn't think to wipe it off because I already wiped it off. Lesson learned, make sure you wipe it twice. I got a little bit of a run right there. It was a lot closer to the garage than what it normally be, so I had to move the garage or the car up, and I'm pretty sure some buildup just got right there. Not sure if that's a hair or a twig of some sort, but yeah, I'm gonna have to wet sand the whole car again just to get all the debris out, and then put another coat of clear on it. I already put 2 coats of clear up here, so this is fine. All I had to do is buff this out. Overall though, I'm kind of getting excited about it because I really like how it's starting to pop now and it's starting to show what it could potentially look like when I get done with it. So after I paint all those things and fix up the imperfections in the clear coat, all I have to do is put it back together. But let's go ahead and do that.
One frozen wasteland later.
Alright guys, so it's been probably about 3 weeks later. We went under a snowstorm. It's currently still snow outside, but it's not as cold as it was before. Yeah, since it was below freezing weather, so we just kind of let her move in here. We got her water and some food and stuff like that, and she's just been sitting here chilling in her heated bed and blankets. But the snow is melting, so it's time to get now. I'm just playing. I haven't grabbed these in a while. Battery's too dead. Alright guys, after one trip to AutoZone to get the battery recharge, we're gonna try this again. Let's hope it starts. Go! Dude, I haven't heard this thing in so long. It is dirty. Alright guys, so the car runs, which, I mean, it's not a surprise. We didn't do anything to the engine or anything like that, but I mean, still, there's some spots that I need to fix. Everything was good until a mosquito decided to land on there, or gnat, or whatever the heck it is. Yeah, I'm a little upset with that, but hey, it happens. There's little spots around here that I need to wet sand. I don't know if the camera even picking that up. It picked up something. Oh yeah, and I also need to wet sand the roof. Well, not wet sand, but buff out the roof because it is kind of dingy from the overspray. So I'm gonna buff all that out and then we'll be good with that. I also need to clean up the engine bay. I've tried spraying it off, but it's dusty. But yeah guys, I just gotta finish up that stuff. Make sure it's nice and clean and paint up the hood because I still ain't finished the hood or the bumper. And then I'll be done. It's a long project, but hey, it was fun. But thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss the next videos. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Look who decided to show up. Hey Thomas. Stop eating for a second and talk.